Hi everyone, I'm Sachil, and in this video session I will be explaining you through my first lab experiments in Unix labs. And this is my first lab experiment. This experiment contains nothing but a few basic commands we use in Unix. And this is some commands we are going to execute in this experiment. So, to begin the experiment, use my colleges. So, so, so now we will begin. So this is the contents of users home directory including inner files. And for that purpose, we use the key called ls exit. This displays every program, every contents of my main home directory, including the all hidden files, which is indicated by this dot. Next question is to list the content of /var directory. So for that, we use the commands. Now this command executes displays all the items inside this particular directory /var. Okay. Next question is create two directories named directory 1 and directory 2. For that, we use the command mkdir, which means make directory, and directory is named dir1, dir2. This shows file exists because I just created that previously. Dat1, directory 2. Next one is create a hidden directory with a name. Yes. So for that we use make directory at the same make directory dot Sachil, that's my name. Yes. I successfully have created my name. Now create a change into directory 1. We are present in the home directory, as you can see here. Now we are going to directory 1. So cd is the command we use to get into another directory. That means change directory. So next question is copy the file etc password file to current directory with sample.txt. Okay. We using cp. This command is for copying password. The first part cp is the command used for copying, and this is the source, and this will be the destination, and this is the file name. Yes. Now the file has been created. Now change to your home directory with pw command. So jump into the home directory, use this command, use change directory, then this notation, which will take you to the home directory, and pwd. This command will show the exact address location of where you are. Next question is create a file txt1. Okay. So this is nothing but create a file test1.txt using vim editor with the following contents to it. So I'm going to create a file named test1.txt with these files contents inside that. Okay. And for that I'll be using vi test1.txt. So vi is the short form for vim editor. So vi followed by the file name opens the file with vim editor. And I've already entered the contents which are required inside that, and now display the students' names who are having research interest as grid computing. Yeah. So like I have inserted a few. So in this I have few names with their register numbers and the courses they have preferred. Yeah. So grep grid test1.txt so grid is the keyword I'm searching for. This is the file name, and this is the command for grouping them, searching and cut F. This one will display only the first row, like the first column, which are the names. So when I click it and click enter, only the first column, which are the names, which contains grid in their content, will be displayed. Next question is list all the student names and student number in the class. Okay, that is nothing but so as you saw in this contents include the first column is the name, the second column is the student number, and third is the section list. So we are asked to list all the student name and register number. Yes. For that we are using cat student.txt, the file name, cut SF1, 2, which will simply cut the first column and second column and just display that for reading. Yes. So as we use the command cat, every content will be displayed here itself. You don't have to search anywhere else, it's displayed wherever you are. So then this displays the name and then register numbers. Yes. Next is display the contents of the file test1 without any blank lines. Okay. I'm going to display grep FNV this code will display everything without any blank lines. So if there used to be some blank lines over between this names, the contents and the heading title. So now the extra mode and successful, code is successful. Move the file sample.txt from directory 1 directory to directory 2 directory. For that we use mv layer 1 slash sample.txt to directory 2. Okay, now the files from sample.txt from directory 1 is moved to directory 2. Okay, now change the directory into directory 2 directory. So what we use? cd space directory 2. Now we inside the directory 2. Check whether the file sample.txt is present with it. So ls simply prints every files inside the directory, and ls space grep, and this command, so it's specifically for this file name sample.txt. Yes, sample.txt is available. And the next command is rename the file sample.txt to new.txt and check whether sample.txt is there or not. Rename the file sample.txt. Yes. As we saw previously, we have used the command mv for moving the file, and for renaming we are using the same command sample.txt new.txt. Yes. Difference actually they copy the contents from sample.txt to they move the contents from sample.txt to a new file named new.txt, and they are gonna, and the system is gonna remove this file. Okay, done. Now we'll check if the file exists. Yes, uno.txt exists, do exist. Next, display the calendar of December 2020. So for that we use cal 12 calendar for month, calendar 12 for the month, and 2020 for year. This displays calendar. Next question is remove the directory 1. Okay. For removing we use rm dir. So usually for removing we use rm, and for removing a directory we use rm. Okay. So that says that the directory is not empty, therefore can't be removed. Okay, that's fine. Display last 3 lines of the file test1.txt. Okay. So tail last 3 lines .txt. Okay. Now this file, last 3 lines of that file, and tail. So tail is called tail states the last few lines, minus states the number of line, and it's just the file name. Yes. So these are the 3 lines from the file. Yes. Display all the comments you have executed so far and save the list into a file named today's.txt. Okay. For that, history. Okay, let's get into the address. Okay, now history. History.txt. Yes. Now it should have been moved to that. I will open that vi space. Today's story. 2.txt. Yes. So now we have so far executed like almost 60 commands and all of this. We can move now. So how many files are present under your home directory? Okay. So how many files are present? For ls, notation shows its home directory, then wc and star 77. So there are totally 77 files in my home directory. Okay. And clar is command clear system. Thank you for watching. That's the end of this video session.